Is your Kia key fob not working? The most common issues are battery problems and the need to relearn the fob with your car's system. First, replace the battery. Kia key fobs use CR232 lithium-ion batteries that typically last 1 to 3 years. Here's a standard battery package you can use for replacement. If a new battery doesn't fix it, relearn the fob. This resyncs it with your car's electronic control unit through specific ignition cycles and button presses. For best results, stay within 30 to 50 feet of the car and avoid metal obstructions. Check Kia owner forums for model-specific instructions. Statistics show these steps solve 70 to 80% of key fob problems. If you have a newer Kia model, check the Kia Connect app for diagnostic tools and virtual key options. The relearn process syncs the fob with your car's electronic control unit, as shown in this system diagram. If battery replacement and relearning don't work, the problem may lie with the receiver antenna. These modules, located in the door pillars or trunk, can fail due to moisture, corrosion, or electromagnetic interference, especially in harsh climates. These modules can fail due to moisture, corrosion, or electromagnetic interference, especially in harsh climates. Diagnosis often requires an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. A faulty receiver usually needs professional repair. Keep in mind that Kia is moving towards fobless systems with app-based controls and even biometric entry. Future models will feature enhanced security and battery life, plus AI-driven diagnostics for faster repair times. Stay updated with OTA over-the-air updates via the Kia Connect app, as these can address software glitches affecting key fob functionality. Don't forget that the 12-volt health of your car's battery can also mimic fob issues.